Okay. Okay, guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Guys, good morning. Okay, guys. I think you got a circular regarding the vaccination drive in the college. See, we have started reporting to the college from today. So shortly, you and you people might get a call to report to the college. Most probably after 20th or 24th, I think. Okay. So get ready for the examination, guys. So today is 30th, I think. Today is July 1st. So by the end of this month, you people will be having your third internals. August first week or second week, you people will be having your examination, guys. Are you people ready for that one? Still, you people are not so serious. Only 19 people are there. What about the mini project? This guy is a very serious thing. What about the mini project? See here, I have got only few responses. See here, I have got only responses from Ranga Bashyam, KV Rakesh Reddy, Afrin, and Karthik, Kavya, Kirtana, and Manasa, Manoj, Mansoor, Mayuk, 3D car animation, demonstration of nuclear power plant. Hey guys, I gave the two projects for you people in one of the class, right? At least you people take those two projects and upload, man. At least you take those two projects and you people upload. Yen adunu kashtana. Manish, the one who texted me regarding that, sir, I don't have any, I'm not getting any project or not. You can take one of those two projects and you can submit that one, right?
Okay, sir.
ಏನಪ್ಪ ಮನೀಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? Guys, by this Saturday I want everyone to submit that one, guys. Today is Thursday, if I'm correct. By this Saturday, you people have only 2 days time. By this Saturday I want everyone to upload that one, because we don't have time, guys. See here in the lab programs, 2 programs we have completed. Actually we have completed 3 lab programs. See here we have completed 3 lab programs. First one is Sierpinski gasket we have completed. Sierpinski gasket we have completed, and next 2 cube programs we have completed. 2 cube programs we have completed, and next one is Bresnan's line drawing algorithm. Bresnan's line drawing algorithm and Sutherland-Hodgman algorithm. 2 algorithm we have seen. That program I can complete within 1 day. Okay. What about you people? Huh? Guys, this week, surely this Saturday, we'll be completing 2 programs, guys. So 5 programs are over. Rest 4 programs are 4 or 3 programs are there. That I can complete. It's not a big thing. What about you people? Guys, be serious.
Asking it as an object.
Everyone reply hi.
Not asking it as a give anything in particular, right? So you can give anything you want. It can be a cube, it can be a triangle, or it can be.
Guys, everyone reply hi.
Okay, so about an axis that is having one of the coordinate axis. You can take any of the coordinate
Jeevan.
axis. You want it to the x-axis, you want it to the y-axis.
Jeevan, what about Monica?
You want it to the z-axis, whichever you want it. So there.
Kiran.
You'll be getting the assigned marks for that. So describing what exactly is the transformation matrix for right? From the rotation.
John, what about the project, man? Didn't you get any project?
The transformation matrix, 4x4 matrix, specify each value, say, and with the rotation of how exactly the
Guys. Sir, I will submit within Saturday. Title ashte Jeevan. I'm not asking report or code to be executed. Title adru hakeyappa. Hey, you people don't have semester time, man. Hardly you people will get 4 weeks from now on. Yenama, Monica, Kiran, Yamini, Jeevan, or it may be whomsoever. You people won't get months. This month, man, July. Aste. Hey, seriously, by next month, either you will be having before 15th, August 15th. Before August 15th, you people will be having either lab internal lab exams, or you will be having lab exams, or you will be having this one theory exam, guys. What is your level of preparation? Hmm? Allah, Yamini.
I think I have told
You should have done that by today itself, ma. Simply, I did not want you people to remind that one. It was your responsibility. I'm not asking you people to do it on your own. Download some project. Try to make some changes. If you make minimum changes, guys, I will give you full marks. Okay? See here, I'm sorry to say this one. See here, today 31 people are there in the meeting. Hardly some 4 to 5 people are responding.
RGB will be your native colors and CMY will be that.
Kiran, when will you do, pa?
Next is using any of the example methods. Select your rotation and give you steps, not explaining the complete example. You can give example of which color we provide.
Kiran.
You know, to get cyan.
Or Monica, have you done, ma? Monica?
Submitted, bro.
Okay, good. Yeah, Kiran, ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗೆ. ಕಿರಣ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವೇ? ಇವಸನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿರಣ್?
ಸರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಏನ್ ರಜಾ?
ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ.
That's an important question, rotation. You know, the rotation, they will understand the translation and translation. So next is 2C. 2C is Cohen's Sutherland line-cutting algorithm. As you know, visual forcing is the more and specifying the left, right, left, top, bottom, top. It is a clear indication of the line region. Right, but don't forget the central region too, right? So that's also the way you can hear me, right? Any issues? Yes, I'm audible. Right, okay, you can hear me, no? All right. No, okay, I just thought my audible or not. Okay. The next is about the Sutherland line-cutting algorithm. Yeah. Shit. Line-cutting algorithm. It works on a principle of whether it is falling inside one region or another. It is moving from one region to region. That means the starting line point goes outside the region or inside the region. One is inside, one is outside, both are outside, still passing through the display region. The 2D will be design transformation matrix for three-dimensional transformation and three-dimensional scaling. So, three-dimensional scaling is basically here scaling in harmonic flow, right? Harmonic factors. Right? So then with respect to the translation, moving from there to right, from that's what we have, where the P naught of x comma y will be moved to P dash of x dash and y dash. So what is that x p and y p, which will be the transformation translation, which we have done, movement of from one destination, which is the required type of life. So the other part is the part 2, where the 20 marks is given. Here, it mainly covers the fourth model. Illustrate with the general scanline following the diagram, write the short notes on viewing, 3D scene, the viewing and surface lines. Then we have some things. The other one is, question is, an example summarizes the algorithm using identifying the interior area of the body and explain three-dimensional viewing by lines. The diagram on the one. Done it. Done it.
Yes, guys. Everyone reply hi. At least be attentive for this 10 to 15 minutes. ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋ. ಸುಭಾಷ್ ವೇಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಮನೀಶ್, ಮೋನಿಕಾ, ಕಿರಣ್, ಮನೋಜ್, ರಾಕೇಶ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ, ಸುಭಾಷ್, ಕೈಫ್, good guys, good number of people are there. Submit the project titles by Saturday morning. Once again, I don't want to do the same thing. Okay, so today see here guys, I have downloaded. If you want, you can do the same thing. What you can do is see here, is the screen visible? Someone reply through voice.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
good. See guys, I am see here. So I have downloaded CG question papers, guys, of the previous scheme. 15 scheme, 17 scheme exams did not happen. See here, 15 scheme, I have downloaded the question paper. See here, I will share you what are the questions you can expect in the first 3 modules. From the first 3 modules, what we have completed, and even the 4th module, I have completed one topic, that is 3D pipeline. And in the 5th module, I have completed one topic, logical input devices and physical input devices. What is the measure of a device? What is the trigger of a device? See here, guys. Okay, see here, first 3 modules, let us see what are the possible questions we can expect. See guys, first question, describe the various applications of computer graphics. 100% guarantee question, guys. This is for 80 marks, and for you people the exam will be for 100 marks. The same syllabus is same. Okay, with a net diagram, explain the architecture of raster scan devices. So we have seen raster scan devices and random scan devices. So next, with the necessary steps, explain resonance line drawing algorithm. We have done this one for 3 to 4 hours, guys, not minutes, not 1 period or 40 minutes. We have done this one for 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. Next, explain with the diagram the different Cartesian reference frames, that is cross product. Okay, identify the interior algorithms I explain 2 algorithms used for identifying interior area of a polygon. So next thing is 2D geometric transformations. The same thing is in the 4th module, 3rd module, 3D geometric transformations. One video I was sent in your official group, unofficial group also, for 3D transformation functions, and some other topics in the 3rd module. I have shared that one. OpenGL routines used for manipulation display window, that is glut create window, glut renaming window, increasing the size of the window, decreasing the size of the window, everything. Explain scanline filling algorithm, internals question ido. I have done this topic for 2 to 3 hours. So matrix rotation, matrix representation of translation, rotation and scaling. So once again, matrix rotation of an object above it a specified pivot point. So now coming to the 5th module, that is 3rd module. What is clipping? Explain with an example. The Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping, basic illumination model, RGB and CMY color model, matrix representation of a rotation of an object about an arbitrary axis. I don't want to go through the 4th and 5th module, guys. So these are the questions which have been repeated in December 2019, Jan 2020 question paper. Let us see one more question paper. All the question papers, let us see. I don't want to go through the other modules. So once again, here 15 CS 62 question paper. This is July 2019. Okay. Random scan display devices and raster scan display devices and applications of computer graphics. Just you need to note it down. And the library organization of OpenGL. And next, what is the DDA algorithm? With a suitable example, demonstrate the working principle of resonance line drawing algorithm. What is DDA? DDA stands for Digital Differential Analyzer Algorithm. Okay. Next is the resonance circle drawing algorithm. Here, with any diagram, explain the shear and reflection transformation technique, the other transformation functions. So this is rotation with respect to anti-clockwise direction. So coming to the third module, window to viewport transformation, basic 3D transformation techniques and transformation matrix, illumination and shading models. What is clipping, Cohen-Sutherland line clipping, RGB and CMY color models. Let us see one more question paper. Once again, this is December, Jan 2019. Here, what is computer graphics? Explain the application of computer graphics. Illustrate the sequence of coordinate transformations from modeling coordinates to device coordinates. DDA algorithm with the procedure. Explain the operation of CRT with its primary components with any diagram. Digitize the line by using resonance line drawing algorithm. Polygon classification of polygons, that is polygon strip, polygon fan. Next is explain translation, scaling and rotation in 2D. Next is general scanline filling algorithm. Explain the entities required to perform rotation. What is clipping? Briefly explain Cohen-Sutherland clipping. Phong lighting model. Next is Sutherland-Rodgman polygon clipping. Explain different types of light sources. Explain RGB color model. Yeah, go through this one. I'll give you 1 minute time, 1 or 2 minutes time. Guys, there are no other questions than these questions, guys. They need to repeat the same questions.
You don't know when will lockdown happen, when it may happen or it may not, we even don't know that, right? So be sure that probably we notice, we may expect examinations in the middle of August. Middle of August, and complete August, and then September, we can start in the next year, right? So we should be very fast now. One more thing with respect to the report. Right, report I was clear given the format.
Let us go through the next one. 6th B, you go through 6th B. Explain different types of light sources supported by OpenGL.
Report is, don't want, underpage report, it's really, really fine. Yeah, then maybe report and circulate the report format and go on this. Right? So this will be about today's session. As I said, today, in the sense of this week, we'll finish off the two resuming more in the graphics and finding out, as I told you, applying. I don't need a complex game, I don't need a complex application.
So let us see other question paper.
Something rich in graphics.
Two questions we let us see after the completion of those modules, guys. So 10 CS 65. 10 CS 65 and 15 CS were entirely different. Okay, we have one more question paper. Here, let's not go through the 10 scheme question because entire syllabus is different. See here, with any diagram, explain the basic design and operation of a CRT, Brezhnev line drawing algorithm, raster and random scan display devices, midpoint circle algorithm, that is Brezhnev circle drawing algorithm. Explain 2D geometrical pivot transform rotation, general scanline polygon fill algorithm, 2D viewing transformation pipeline, 2D viewing pipeline. Next is Sutherland line clipping algorithm, color model RGB and CMY, explain Sutherland Hodgman polygon, specular reflection and Phong model.
Anybody any issues from others?
Go through this one, guys.
Who have not submitted the assignment, I need it by 12 noon, right? I need it by 12 noon.
Just a second.
I'll be returning it. Simple that, finish off the assignments, right? Ask, also take the quiz, right? Take the quiz, not take more than 200 also. Not take within 200 also. Your speed and the results you have it not take more than 3 minutes. You know, spread it wisely and get the marks, right? Okay. Apart from that, I don't have anything much from my side today. Tomorrow and before that, vaccination drive has been raised on campus. People who want to apply, who wants to get the schedule of people come in the college, in our group. So for 2018 and 2022 vaccines in July.
So let us see another question paper if it is there. 15 years, only 15 years. Okay, this is also one of the. I think it's the repetition of this question paper. I think even it's the repetition of this question paper. If you want, you can go through this one also.
July 2021, that is Tuesday, 2018 to 2022 vaccines. Right? Yeah.
Yes, guys, if you see the 3 to 4 question papers which are available, there are hardly 20 questions, guys, in the 3 modules. Hardly 20 questions in the 3 modules. Hardly 20 questions in the 3 modules. Guys, put your effort. Seriously, put your effort. It will be offline exams. Okay. Hardly there are, see guys, once again I can text you people. Guys, there are only hardly 20 questions in the 3 modules, guys. I want you people to prepare those things. See here, the material is in there in the MS Teams. Videos are there. I don't want to suggest uh, that thing. Even if you want, you can take the reference of YouTube or anything. The only thing is you need to complete that one, guys. See here once again. I can tell you people this time also it will be offline exams. There is a lot of difference getting between 35 to 50 and 50 to 65, guys. CG is a subject where you can get minimum 60. Okay. Once again. Yes, guys, prepare well. It may be whomsoever. Okay. 40 people are there. I don't know how many are attentive. Okay, guys. Reply by and exit. I want the project titles by tomorrow, guys. Guys, here, if you want one more thing, if you want, you can change the project title even on the day of examination also. Okay, Kaif, 1 minute, stay in the meeting. You first give the title and start executing the title. Try to make some changes on the day of examination or a day before the examination. Even if it won't work, we shall make some arrangements. Okay. Okay. But by the next class, I need the timetable. This one, guys. Titles by this Saturday. Okay. And try to make whatever the minimum changes what you can do. Don't simply stick on to the thing what you have downloaded or what you have got. At least make some changes, guys. The minimum changes. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Sorry, there was a delay with the UPS. So there was a delay in the starting of the class. Okay, let's meet in the next hour. Thank you.